Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and this is the reading for Virgos from 21st to 30th June 2020. And today I'm doing a mind, body, soul and a spirit reading for you guys. I have already shuffled the cards and I have laid them out, and I have taken out 4 cards representing each of that, and I will just start with your reading and we will clarify each card and each energy side by side. Okay, so let's start your reading, Virgos. So first, what is in your head. Okay, so first I'm talking about the energy which is coming from your mind. Okay, so this is telling me that currently your mind is occupied with your past experiences, the pain, the disappointments, the lessons, the karma, okay, of you and the other persons. So currently you are occupied with your past painful and not so painful experiences. Okay, you are checking out all of them and you are taking out the lessons, okay, and you want to use them in your present situation. So what I'm feeling here is that you are feeling like you are more wiser and experienced person because of your past experiences, and no one can cheat you, or no one can take you for granted, or no one can play with you, okay, because you know how to deal with such kind of things. So this is going in your head, in your mind, okay, some sort of, you can say, a defense also from your side, Virgos, okay, some sort of insecurity, you can also say. So if you use those experiences and those lessons in a positive way, then it will really help you, but don't use them as a defense. Okay, so we will move to the next energy from you, that is your gut energy, or you can say the energy which is coming from your body. Okay, so this is telling me that you are feeling like you don't need anyone. Okay, just you are feeling like just leave about everything else. You don't want to take any decision, you don't want to move on with any person, you don't want to move into any relationship. You just want to be with yourself, focusing on yourself, improving yourself, building your own empire. Okay, so your gut energy is telling you this, that don't move into any other decision or relationship. You are happy on your own, you are satisfied, and you don't need all of this. Okay, so this is what your gut energy is telling you, Virgos, right now. But your soul and your heart is falling for some person. So what I'm feeling here is that there is an interplay of your mind, of your gut and your heart, and all of these three are in a different, directions. They are guiding you in a different directions. Okay, and they are all trying to control you and your actions. Your mind is saying something else, your gut energy is something else, and your heart and soul is falling in love with someone else. Okay, so because you're falling in love with someone else, that's why your mind and gut are coming to play in order to defend. Okay, so, and all of this is a haywire. Okay, it's like a chaos. So let's see the spirit energy. So your spirit energy is the Queen of Spades, which is telling me that the Queen of Spades, which is telling me that just don't remain in this chaos. Okay, and this, whatever you want to do or whatever you want to take the direction, okay, just take that and move along with that. Don't remain in this chaos for long. Okay, build your own empire if you want. If you want to move on a new relationship, and if you want to fall in love, which you are falling in love, so don't control your emotions, okay? I know it is difficult when your past experiences in your head are haunting you, your gut feeling is telling you are okay on your own, and your heart wanting someone to love you, okay? I know this is complex, but the Queen of Spades is here to tell you that you are an empress, okay? And you don't have to worry about anything, right? Use your past experiences as lessons, and if you want this love, then go for it, okay? Everyone is happy and satisfied alone, but when you get someone to love you, then it makes a real sense, okay? So the Queen of Spades is telling you that have that courage, that strength, that wisdom, okay? And move confidently. Whatever you want to do, just do it, okay? Don't remain in this chaos, okay? So let's clarify each of these energies with a different deck, and I will just try to add some more info, okay, if needed. And let's see. Okay, so I'm taking one card for each, and okay, so let's see. So the King of Spades with the Chariot. So this is telling me that your energy, this energy is telling me that you're in your head, okay? Although you are insecure because of your past experiences, but somewhere you also want this relationship with this person, and you want to move towards this person, okay? So somewhere in your head this feeling is also there, that you want to move towards this person, okay? And you are anticipating that something good can also happen, okay? So there in your head there is bad past experiences which are stopping you, but there is also some hope, and some hope for some good relationship and love with this new relation, okay? So this is what I'm feeling here with the Chariot. And the King of Clubs with this is telling me that you are struggling, okay? You are struggling to make sense out of things. So you can see here that someone is not able to sleep, and there are 9 of Swords under her pillow, okay? So you are just thinking about the situation, and there are multiple thoughts are going on, okay? You're trying to make out sense out of this, that what should you do? Should you trust someone again or not, okay? And your heart energy, which is falling in love with this person, along with this 4 of Diamonds, is again telling me that you want this love, you're falling in love with this person, the card of Lovers, but you are insecure, okay? You don't know whether to move forward with this person or not, okay? And let's move on to your Spirit energy, which was the Queen of Spades, and along with the 5 of Spades. So this is telling you that The person you are dealing is, although you want this love and you are falling in love with this person, you really like this person, but you don't know whether to trust or to start this relationship, okay, because of your past trauma and lessons and karmas and experiences which are stopping you. And so this person with whom you are dealing is not something very easy or simple, okay. The person you are dealing is also a difficult person like you. The person has also past experiences, traumas, they are also healing, okay. So it will be difficult to deal with this person. This is what the Queen of Spades is telling you, along with the Five of Spades. So this is telling you that your opponent is not easy. This person is really difficult to deal with, because they also have all this chaos in their mind, just the way you are having, because they are also having all those difficult experiences in their life, okay, before they reach to you. So I think this is a really difficult situation, but I hope you will sail through it, Virgos, okay. Or with communication and with dealing with your fears and avoiding your egos and talking openly about each other's fears and trying to support each other and complement each other, okay, because you both have the bad past experiences, and if you try to understand each other, then I think that you can start this relationship with this person. There's nothing wrong to have love, okay, although you are happy and satisfied alone, but it is always more merrier, okay, when we have some real good life partners. So I hope you enjoyed your reading, and I hope you will sail through it and make a good decision and will act wisely, supporting each other, okay, because you both have experiences. No one's path is easy here, okay. So we will end here. I hope you enjoyed your reading. If it resonates with you, just like, share, subscribe to my channel for further videos, and till next video, take care, bye bye, God bless you.